So what is your comfort zone talking about money? I want to know. Not comfortable. A while ago, a lady was working for me. She didn't like talking about numbers. In fact, she got a little bit salty and she said to me, all you do is talk about numbers. And at first I was like a little bit offended. Like, what does that mean? Because I was putting that stereotype, like she was thinking about the money part. And then I went back and I'm thinking, all I do is talk about numbers. Like, why would she say that? And I thought, well, by golly, of course that's what I'm talking about. I don't want to run my business into the ground. I want to be able to serve my clients in a quality way without being so shortchanged I can't hire the right people or get the right tools. But if you want to be in business and you want to be successful, get comfortable talking about numbers.